All right, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. My name is Dylan. I'm the host of this channel, Make Money Fast. Guys, if you're interested in being a host on this channel, feel free to message me. I know a lot of you guys have great ideas out there. A lot of you guys are making real money. Feel free to shoot me a message if you want to be a host on this. It's great exposure, great practice for, if you want to be a host in other endeavors. Anyways, guys, getting straight into the video, 15 ways to make money instantly online, okay? And we're gonna, let's see how much money we can just rack up, all right? I have my screen shared up here. But anyways, here are my notes for, these are all the videos I plan on filming in the next month. Guys, set goals for yourself. Anyways, here are all my referral bonuses. These are all gonna be linked down below. So first off, get $50 with Discover. Discover's a credit card. They'll pay you $50 to sign up for a free credit card. It comes in the form of a statement credit. Become a Lyft driver with the bonus. This could be up to $500. So let's do the math here. This is 500. This is 50. Get a free Lyft ride. I think this is valued at $10 or it's $5 or $10 depending on where you live. Let's just do 10. $15 in free Uber rides, okay? That's if you don't already have the Uber app. This is get a free stock with Robinhood, all right? This could be any stock at all. It could be Facebook, which I think is valued at $118 right now. GoPro is valued at $5. But guys, Google is valued at $1,100. So let's just put up, this is best case scenario. You get a $1,100 stock. Just click the link below. Guys, go through the list and just get this. Free $40 for Airbnb. That's pretty much a free hotel. You can get a free hotel. I think you have to spend $75 so you can stay a few nights, and get it half off. Free snacks with Nature Box. Guys, Nature Box is actually really good. I got some a few months ago. I got a free box of snacks with Nature Box. It was really good. It had like tea and cookies, and what else did it have? It had like nuts and stuff. Pretty good. Groupon. This is I think this is like for $5. So I forget what that one's for exactly. Get $50 off at hotels.com. Guys, that is really good. Earn free money with swag bucks. I'm not going to count this one just because this one you have to rack up swag bucks on your own and then convert it to cash. So I don't want to estimate. I'll just estimate $5 for that one. Get $10 free with Ibotta. Guys, do you know what Ibotta is? It's a way for you can scan your receipts and they'll pay you money. It's like I guess. So yeah, they'll give you $10 free, and once you hit 20, they just send you money via PayPal. It's great. Save money with WikiBuy. WikiBuy is like another cash back thing. I'm not gonna do anything for that just because it's kind of hard to monitor that. $75 off a mattress. Do you guys need a new mattress? I know I do. I might get a new mattress soon. $75 off your next mattress at Casper. Make money with Cash Crate. This is the same thing, guys. I don't want to, estimate anything just like with WikiBuy. You know what? Let's just do $5 for each of these. Get $25 in car rentals with Turo. Guys, Turo is a really sweet company. This is something that I've kind of been wanting to see in the market for quite a while. Everybody has an extra car. It's literally I think it's 80% of Americans have 2 cars and they only use one. I have a spare car that I don't even use. So what you do is you rent it out on this app called Turo, and somebody will come up. You can set a pickup location, and you can set your own rate. So say I have my extra car is a Hyundai Accent. It's the first car I ever bought, but recently I bought a new car just because the other car was getting old, and I got a good rate for my new car. So the other car, I just rent it out on Turo, and people, rent it out for me for, I think it's like $20 a day. And, if they do it a week at a time, that's, $140. plus you get some other stuff. So guys, if you want to get $25 in car rentals, you can rent a Mercedes, an Audi, BMW, anything you want. $5 in cash with Dosh. All right, awesome. Let's see. This guy, this is a mattress, guys. $100 off a mattress. You're gonna either pick Casper or Lisa. Just find which one looks better for you, which one feels better. I think it's free returns too. So this is get $10 in Postmates. That's a really good one. And then I don't have the code for an Uber driver. I think I need to sign up for that one first. So guys, let's just do some quick math here. Let's get out my calculator. I think there's a calculator in here somewhere. Guys, if you're already beating me at math, this is 50 plus 500 plus 10 plus 15 plus 1100 plus 40. Guys, if you're really good at math, just comment down below if you've already gotten the number of how much money you can really make. 50 plus 5 plus 10 plus 5 plus 75 plus 5 plus 25 plus 5 plus 100 plus 10. Guys, over $2,000 that you can get just from doing these referral bonuses. And the good thing is, guys, once you sign up for these referral bonuses, you can start referring other people too and make money just like I am. See, this first one, get $50 with Discover. Guys, I'm going to get the $50 too, okay? It's no secret. You're going to get 50, I'm going to get 50. That's how Discover makes new card members, is they pay their current card members to recruit new members. I'm pretty much a recruiter for Discover, a freelance recruiter. So guys, $2,000 in your pocket today just for doing this. It's probably going to take about an hour. About an hour to complete all of these. And guys, that's about it. Thank you all for watching. Let me know if you have any other referrals, and feel free to share your own referrals too. I really don't care. This is a community, guys. We should all be benefiting. Share your own referrals down below, and let's all make some money together. All right, this has been another episode of Make Money Fast. Take care, guys. Have a great day. All right, bye.